What up? It's your boy came back again, and today I have officially begun the weekly roundup. Right, it's more of a weekly, and it's gonna be a daily thing. So every single day of the week here on YouTube, I'm gonna create a video just showcasing what I'm looking at, how my portfolio looks like at this point, my the trades that I'm taking, potential trades that I'm taking, and going forward, that means I am gonna be building a public portfolio and also showing you how I'm making money trading, right? So that's pretty much it for today. And right now, we're gonna get started right away with Bitcoin. So this Bitcoin on the daily time frame. Let's open on the daily time frame, and this is what's happening. In fact, if anything, we should start from the weekly, right? Let me just remove these things here. Okay, so when we open up the weekly chart, you can clearly see that we broke the downtrend, right? We broke the downtrend, and at this juncture, I don't know why this Bybit. Let me just remove Bybit and add. Let me add the Binance chart. BTC Binance. BTC Binance. Yeah. Let me add BTC Binance because Bybit is not. Yeah, you see. Why am I not seeing the 200 MA on the weekly? Alright, so on the 300 MA, I have to put 250 MA. This means that we are always looking for what we call a golden cross or a death cross. So anytime the 50, which is the white one, right, crosses over the yellow one, 200 EMA, that means we have a golden cross, and that means price is supposed to be pumping and pumping hard. Okay, I don't know why we want the 200 EMA is only this long, but anyway, right about this time, let me remove this alert. It is way uh out of place right now. So I want to place this resistance right here, because this is the key resistance that we just broke, no retest yet. So and where we're targeting, we're looking at this key area here at around 46,000. So this is what I'm looking at. Okay, I'm looking at a potential pullback first before we go there. The reason that is because we broke this resistance without retesting it. So it will be very good to us to get better interest from this retest here, because that may not happen. What might happen is we can see a continued move going forward all the way to 46, and then now we can come back down and dilly-dally on this range for a minute. Okay, but then what that tells us again is, hey, uh, things are bullish, but we're not yet in the bull market yet. You can see this range for was around 1 2, right, 1 2 3 4 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 weeks. That's 3 months. That's 3 months of consolidation. So if you get to 46k, that would be a good indicator that you're gonna dilly dally here for a minute. But for now, I'll be looking for this kind of pullback, because if we zoom out, you can clearly see that this was a clear resistance. It was support to channel the resistance, and we are now facing the selling pressure right there, which means anytime this can wiggle up or not. So what I'm gonna do, just above this, I'm gonna place an alert, which means it's an alert going up. So I call that BTC ready longs, right? Ready longs. Create that, and then from there, what's gonna happen is we're gonna get alerted once BTC breaks here. If not, that means it will be going down, which is also a good thing, which means we can even clown this and form another alert right here, crossing down, and then BTC really longs as well, because you're looking at buying from there. All right. So that's Bitcoin, the weekly time frame. When you go back now to the daily time frame, you can be able to see now the wedge that I was trying to do right here. Let's even go further down to the 4-hour time frame so that you can clearly see this uh, wedge that is forming here. And typically wedges are just a continuation pattern, which means we are more likely to go up than down. If anything, if you can come retest this 50 EMA fast before going to all the way up to the 46k region, that would be great. But then remember, there's still a resistance here that we need to break. So once we break here, I would expect a retest before we continue. That is where I would be buying, right? If we don't, we bounce off this 50 ml, probably even come down here, I'll also be buying. So that's all I'm looking for at this juncture, right? Something like this. Okay, all the way there. If this fails, okay, if this fails to happen, what happens? That means you'll be boom, we'll be pushing up, and you're expecting a 46k, um 46k touch. Okay, so my coins for the day, I have coins for the day. TRB, this one has, I was waiting for it to come all the way back to the 50 MA, never did. It has a very strong momentum. You can see it has pumped 18% today. ApeCoin, I'm also looking at it to come down here, this key resistance, before we continue. Um, it's gonna be very, very, very amazing to see that happen, and there is a whole run to watch here. So when you're talking about ApeCoin, you're looking at this resistance here. So you can either go there first to 1.5 before you come down, or you come down first before you go up. So whichever the case, um, that's gonna be, no, this is not supposed to be in my tail for the day. FCT is, sorry guys, just me. Just me just broke this resistance. Amazing, amazing. I consider it broke this downtrend really nice. Which key zone are we expecting again? Okay, around there. That's amazing. But now, for now, I want to create an alert right here. If you can see a retracement back here, this will be a good place to buy. So what I know for me, okay, anytime, let me just put crossing. Anytime just me long, sorry. You see, anytime I see this kind of pump, I'm like, either I'm looking for a short or I'm looking for a pullback, right? My mentor told me that if the market is not moving at a 45 degrees angle, then there is an imminent pullback awaiting, right? That's against the norm. Price is always supposed to be moving in a 45-degree angle. You see, like this is good movement. But when you see this strong upside, huge upside, and just price pumping up or uh, in a steep angle, expecting pullbacks is part of the process. See right here, and also this was a key resistance going back. So if you can see a retest there, that would be a good buying zone for me. FET is actually on the edge, right? We had this resistance right here. You can see FET is probably feeling like it has been um, in a bull run. It's almost getting to its all-time high, just like render, right? So what I'm expecting here, you see, I've placed an alert right above it. If price starts moving up, I'll long for sure. Okay. Bond has been also very, very bullish, but we are facing this strong resistance here. So I've set an alert at just above that, so that if it breaks, I'll be looking for a retest here before we continue going up to all-time highs. And I think these are the two I have very high hopes on, right? So I'm looking at them very much today. Okay, when you look at crypto at Bantababus, you can see everything is pretty much bullish on the hourly. The hourly, everything is pretty much bullish. When I look at the forex calendar, today we don't have nothing important apart from this employment cost index. Tomorrow, on the other hand, we have the FOMC statement and press conference at 9 and 9:30 simultaneously. This is Kenya, East African time. Unemployment claims on Thursday, Friday, NFP, and initially, the only because people are expecting the Fed to don't raise or take down the rates, that means there will be the market effect will be neutral. That's on Wednesday. Non-farm payroll changes, you can clearly see here that previously it was 336K employment change, and now we are talking about 182K. So I don't know why it's decreasing. It's not a good thing in the economy, right? The unemployment rate has not reduced, still at 3.8. Not good at all, but then it is what it is. I hope this news is gonna create an impact in the market and probably make the market go higher because it's negative news, right? Yeah. So apart from that, guys, everything is amazing. You can also check out my Twitter. I do a lot of tweeting, right? So this is Kimani Capital. I do a lot of tweeting. Okay, I do a lot of tweeting just to engage you guys. You can also follow me on LinkedIn at Fazil Kimani. That's my real name, right? Check me out. Uh, let's connect. Otherwise, thank you so much for showing up, guys. All I would ask is you guys to join the Telegram group, link in the bio. Make sure you subscribe and like the video, because what's happening in the Telegram group is that we are training. Me and my team, we are training you guys to become good traders. We are not only training you guys, we're also giving you very nice signals that you can use for your own benefit and make money. We made money on Solana. This was a call that we made last week, but which one was it? We made this call right here while Solana was breaking this downtrend at around 23,000, and we are still in that trade. All is going well. Let me just open up coin stats so that you can see how our portfolio is doing. Everything is dope, man. Everything is dope, guys. Everything is dope. I don't have any trades currently running, so we're gonna. Yeah, I've made $16 so far, 1.42%. That's great. That's my portfolio for those who are asking. Fetch.ai, man, has pumped as far. Look, Ash, if it gets to if Fetch gets to where's Fetch? Uh-huh. Fetch. If Fetch gets to 0.44, oh shit. We're gonna have some good money right there. Render is also pumping huge. You can see that the graph has been dumping. I don't know why. Bytom has been increasing in pace like no man's business. Solana is still up one another 17%. Those were great picks, guys. I hope you guys are looking at my portfolio and saying, "Hey, look at that." They had not refreshed, guys. Look at that. $52 one day. That's around 8,000 Kenyan shillings right there. And that's the beauty of the bull market. Okay. So guys, these are my plays for this week. I'm also very cautious on what Bitcoin is gonna do, especially with when it comes to breaking out of this triangle. Is it gonna break down or up? That's something that's gonna happen probably today or tomorrow, because you can see we are very clear on where the market is going. But normally this is a continuation pattern, which means if we pumped here, it's gonna be a continued pump. Otherwise, guys, that's pretty much it. Thank you for tuning in to Kimani Capital, and see you on the Telegram group. Cheers, guys.